Right here, this my side, man. Legendary side. This right here, the island side. You feel me? You see right here, man. These palm trees represent the island. Is you from the island, nigga? Is you from the island? Cause you sure stay on the island. my big homie right here, legendary homie, day one. Legendary homie, day one. Tell these niggas who you is, man. See, we tripping. Tell these people who you is, man.
OG, PJ?
Big Norm.
Big Norm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
OG.
Real Kennedy, man.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Rest in peace, Lil Norm. Yeah. Legendary. They got a huge family over here. They the Kennedys. Right here, my uncle right here. My uncle Gay right here, Gregory. This right here is the Harley bike shop right here. It's the repairs and modifications, all that. The homies got their own Harley like shop right here. This what he do everything. Anything you could think of to bikes, you feel me? Like all Harleys, you feel me? Like this him right here, matter of fact, my Uncle Gay. You feel me? The man behind the magic. This the Imperial Courts this the Imperial Courts Harley shop right here. This the Imperial Courts Harley shop right here. You feel me? Anything you need done to your motorcycle, man. Modifications, repairs, all that. We got this.
Not in front of my face.
What's happening, man? We just chilling, man. Doing a little documentary, StreetTV.
Right.
My boy Alex.
Alex, what's up, brother?
Harleys.
Yep. OG's got the Harleys out. They do this shit on a regular.
Check it out.
No, I need it.
It's the homie Big Serpo.
No, I just happened now. I just crashed it now.
I thought we didn't
Yep. And it's different now, bro. Like in our generation, like you feel me? Like we pushing peace, bro. Like we done been through all the ups and downs, trials and tribulations, and the bullshit with niggas and hoods and ops and enemies and all that. Like we like it's a different level, bro. Like we getting so much money, like bro, like we ain't even on that. Like we on the unity shit. Like we pushing peace. You get what I'm saying? Like so it's really big and it's really different. It's huge for my city, huge for my community. Like what we got going on.
Piece up too, though, nigga.
All right, we got this gardener is messing up.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. What rap he got? Cause I listened to some on here.
Yeah, I got a couple songs out. Nope. I got more mainstream player shit. Yeah, pull it up, get it out, put it on your phone.
I've been in these motherfuckers since 1975, bro.
Yes, sir.
1975. Before it was PJ Watts, then, huh?
Well, it always been the PJs, but we put the PJ Crip on it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? It always been the PJs. Out of all the projects, this project always been known as a PJ.
Wait, do you remember what year that y'all put the Crip on it?
That probably was 76, 77.
Before that was Pygmies here?
Nah, Pygmies, that's some Jordan Downs.
They were on the other
They
side?
have family members over here, though.
Yeah.
They got some family members over here, but that's what the
Yeah.
Did the jackets ever be in the PJs back in the days?
Green Jackets was here for a little while.
Yeah.
He probably could tell you more about that. Green Jackets, but
It wasn't brought us. They was here though, but you know what I'm saying? We was our own all the time.
family, like big family.
Yeah, we got huge families too. Like how they got the Pygmies over there. We got a lot of families over here. You feel me? We got Kennedys, the Parkers,
All that. I've been here 63
Bakers,
years.
you know,
What
the
year-
Richmonds.
What's the first year?
Huh?
What year was your first year here?
Shit. Since I was born, bro. I'm 63 years old.
Okay.
Add it up.
So you born in 59?
No, 60.
You born in 60? Okay.
Let YO break some more weed down, go.
I've been here. We all been here.
Damn, dog, I got the bus on.
Raised up. We all
So you was, do you remember the Watts riot? You was only 5 years old?
Yeah, I remember all
Yeah.
that, bro. I used to march with the Panthers and everything. Wednesday
Patty.
spaghetti, bro.
Yeah,
Patty
they had-
Hurts
they had-
right here.
yeah,
113th and Carosius.
that's where the Black Panther headquarters.
Me and
was.
Mark Cross stole their guns, went up under the house and stole all their guns.
Okay, so where we going now?
I'm gonna go to the smoke shop real quick. I need to get some buns, bro. Right here around the corner. This all the hood right here. This our residential. This 114th Street.
So you got a lot of homies that from the hood but don't live in the projects, live in these houses?
Yeah, in the residential too, yeah. I'm gonna swing by another one of our legendary blocks. You feel me? 112th Street. PJ Watts, also known as the block. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to change the narrative, man, you know, for the city and do a lot of shit for my hood and get exposure, you know, and put the young niggas on after me, you know. We got a lot of love around the city in different hoods and Watts. You know, this nigga right here, this another legendary nigga too right here. In the hood Watts, OG Big Bear right here. Yeah. Yeah, Big Bear right there, man, in the hood Watts.
We doing documentaries?
Yeah, like a hood vlog.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, he got a major platform. He kind of famous. Name Alex. You got Slap Woods? Slap Woods. Just give me some loose leaves, man. Give me 2 packs of cookies and cream. Cookies and cream, 2 packs. 2 packs. Come on. What?
You don't want to shoot?
Come on, man. He don't got no jurisdiction over nothing. Come on, bro.
You don't want to shoot. You don't want me to shoot.
No, you can shoot. No, you can shoot, bro. He can't tell you shit.
I want to respect. Is he tripping?
I don't know what he's. Nah, bro. Nah, this shit organic. It's regular. He can't tell nothing. He can't. What can he do? What can he say? Nothing.
Who you calling though?
He ain't know nobody. Stop playing with me.
If he knew
Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex. Come on, bro.
Like,
Like, shoot, bro. Like, this nigga's a weirdo. Yeah. 2 packs. Yes, yeah, he already sold it. 2 packs. 2.
Act like you don't gotta get
I
off.
don't know what he talking about.
I don't like that type of swag.
Like you play with me, bro. Like don't play with me. Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me. This my hood.
Okay, I don't know what it is.
This day he with me. He with me.
My friend, I know my cousin.
He with me. You know I'm you. You know I'm your friend.
Store recognition,
You know that. Come on, bro.
Your store
I know
recognition,
you.
bro.
I know you.
Yeah, you know you. I'm your friend. He with me.
Damn, bitch.
Yeah, nigga. All right, yeah. We'll fuck you up. He don't even know Alex with us. He like, man, this nigga here with a camera. What's going on? He thinking some shit going on, like the city finna shut their ass down.
Oh, that was you keeping on?
Yeah, he like, man, some people here with the cameras and shit. Like, I don't know.
Give me, I'm
Hey,
doing
what's up with
something
that
illegal.
bike shop with the Watts mural on the top?
Oh, this cyclery right here, that's legendary too. That been right there since, well, like the 70s or some shit. That's an OG, old school bike shop. That shit been right there since we was kids, bro. And I'm 37.
Yeah.
Feel me? So, that just let you know.
This street right here?
This Wilmington right here, AKA Wilmshaw. Yeah.
We on Wimshaw.
Yeah, Wilmington, AKA Wilmshaw, baby.